Good morning all. First and foremost, I hope you're all well, family too, during this unprecedented time. I'm colouring two clients' hair systems that have sent their hair systems in. One is slightly lighter than the other, but with my experience I'm using 6-1 on them both and 20 file 6 file, 20 volume 6%. And here's the conditioner, which you cake onto the base because it will colour and dye the base and it will ruin a good hair system. You can see here I just go around to the front and that will protect it when I put the colour on the sides and the top. Right, going back to the colour, this one I'll leave the colour on for probably 2-3 minutes because it'll take quickly. And this one I'll leave it on for 10 minutes because it needs to go slightly darker. So there's a bit of a art to it. Probably best you send them in for me to do, but it can be done on WhatsApp, video calls, etc. But I'm close to heading towards 100 hair systems sent in for me to clean. So it's keeping me honest. Anyway, keep well everyone. Okay, this may be like watching paint dry, but you see the two hair systems. Here's the colour cream. I'm going to put it all in. There's half a tube there because I'm doing 2 hair systems and normally 1/4 of a tube does it. Then you put the, this is like a cookery show. Then you put the 20 file 6% cream developer in. It's a new bottle, so I've just wasted a bit of time. And then equal measures. Bear with me, I just need a little brush, probably see my head. And then you mix it until it becomes one. And then once it becomes one, then you're ready to put on the hair system. Right, okay, let's go for this. Right, so you see I've put the conditioner on, then I go round the edge. Hopefully you can see this. I do hope so, because it's probably going to be quite a good video. While I work, and you can see that bit, I'm not going up to the front. So I'm leaving 2-3 mil at the front, so it doesn't colour the lace. This part is the most important, because you've done all the work with the conditioner on the base. There we go, I'm happy with that. And with the poly, which is great, you can just put colour on. This one's an all lace, this one's a poly. And I mentioned this, the colour will stay on this one less time than the all lace because it's slightly darker. Right, here we go again. So, hope you're all keeping well and busy. It's time for reflection, isn't it? It's unbelievable times at the moment. Right, okay, so that's that done on this side. And then I'm going to flip it over. But first, another tip. I'll get rid of the colour there. Right, okay. You do go through towels. So I'm going to flip it over. The reason I got rid of the colour because I don't want it to go, I can't really see what it's doing, the stuff on the tray, so I don't want it doing anything to the system that I can't see, if that makes sense. Right, here we go again. I've already protected the base. And this is how I do it. It's been successful for me for years. It's quite simple. It's just makes sense to just cover this. And what I like doing to keep the blends in it, because even though the hair system's lifted slightly, it's still quite a nice colour. So I won't get every bit of colour onto the system. Then I brush it through. Just do it from there. Schoolboy error. I brushed it from the lace front. I won't say the name, but I'll ring and apologise to the client. That's fine, I stopped just in time. But I always brush from the back going forward. Simple logic. If it loses hair, it's better off losing from here because you've got your glandular hair. Loses from the front, especially with our hair for all London unbelievably natural fronts, then you know they get too thin quick. Right, I'm going to put that one over here. If you can recall, I did say that hair colour's got to stay on less time, and this one a little bit more. So I've just put it on like this, all over. Like I said for the previous system, I don't mind some of this colour staying in because I'll end up creating 2 or 3 blends. And for me, as you know with my grey blends, the more colours you've got in a hair system, the more natural it looks. That's my opinion. And the more colours you've got in a hair system, you can go out and not quite get your hair right and it still looks good. Because people look at your hair and go, so many colours. So you can have a few bad hair days. Right, so that's going to stay on longer. Probably about 3 or 4 minutes. Maybe even longer now. This one I'm watching. And this one I'm going to take off first. And now it's a question of waiting and looking and making sure you know, especially for this one, you don't want it to go too dark too quick. And then with older systems, they do become porous, so they do take quick, and then they don't hold the colour as long. So if you've got a system that's 12 months old, then the colour would hold 2-3 weeks. If it's 3 or 4 months old, it probably hold for 6 to 8 weeks. That's just the way it is, the nature of the hair systems. Right, that's going to be like watching paint dry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove it, shampoo, condition it, tape up and send it to the clients. Keep those systems coming in lockdown, everybody. Right, here we go. That one laying on the side was the lighter one. It appears darker because it's wet. I've just washed it, but the other one in the other sink, I don't think you can see it, needs to be done now. So here we go. So I'm pleased with this one. It matches the colour because I take the sample from the sample we've got of the client's colour, and I simply grab hold of the back, shower's definitely the best because you can get away. You can see the base there, no colouring of the base. Like I said, we're known for extremely natural looking hair systems with the correct density in it, and it's important you keep the skin colour of the lace. So if you go through the video again, you'll see I probably have more conditioner on the hair system than I do colour, because my goal is to keep this the same. Plus if I didn't, I'll have to give the client a new system. Quickly, by the way, I get up at dawn and I walk my 2 Rhodesia Ridgeback, so I just saw that I had dirty nails. If you think I'm a dirty little bugger, I'm not, even though my mum and dad are different. It's because I've been playing with balls and picking up their play balls. There we go, I think this is about done. I'll put this on here, and it's going to appear darker than the start of it. Turn this on a minute. But the hairman has done a really good job, and I'm going to treat you in the next video. I'm going to show you how to use clippers for a haircut on lockdown. Stay safe, everyone.